Once upon a time, in the vast and diverse land of China, a silent enemy began to creep across the landscape. This enemy was desertification, a process where fertile land turned into barren desert. Over the years, China faced severe desertification, with more than a quarter of its territory covered in desert. The causes were many: overgrazing by livestock, deforestation for timber and fuel, and unsustainable farming practices that depleted soil nutrients. Climate change only made things worse, with rising temperatures and altered precipitation patterns increasing the frequency and intensity of droughts. The impact was devastating. Fertile lands became arid and unproductive, leading to food insecurity and loss of livelihoods for millions of people. The encroaching deserts threatened to destroy farmland and bury villages, forcing people to abandon their homes. Sandstorms became a frequent occurrence, sweeping across cities, causing severe air pollution, and disrupting daily life. These sandstorms led to huge economic losses, damaging infrastructure, and forcing businesses to close. The situation was dire, and something had to be done. China decided to take action. The government implemented several initiatives to combat desertification and restore degraded land. One of the most ambitious projects was the Great Green Wall, a massive afforestation program aimed at creating a forest belt to halt the spread of deserts. This initiative involved planting millions of trees and shrubs to stabilize the soil and restore vegetation cover. In addition to the Great Green Wall, China adopted sustainable land management practices. These included fixing sand dunes with straw checkerboards, planting in spring and autumn, and implementing grazing bans to prevent overgrazing. The government also promoted science and technology in combating desertification, establishing monitoring, forecast, and early warning systems. Technology played a pivotal role in these efforts. In the arid landscapes of northern China, cutting-edge technology transformed the fight against desertification into a story of hope and renewal. From satellite monitoring systems to innovative tree planting tools, the integration of advanced equipment elevated traditional reforestation efforts. In Inner Mongolia's Kabuki Desert, for example, drones were employed to plant seeds across vast stretches of barren land, significantly improving efficiency and survival rates. These seeds, combined with specially developed nutrient packs, ensured saplings thrived in challenging environments. Robots also played a crucial role. In the sparse, sandy grasslands of Jared Banner in Inner Mongolia, machinery filled wind-eroded pits and laid sand barriers while workers supported the comprehensive management of Horkin sandy land. Independently developed sand-fixing machines processed raw materials like reeds and straw into grass mats for sand barrier installation. These machines were simple in structure, easy to operate, and highly adaptable to various terrains, enabling the installation of nearly 30,000 meters of sand barriers daily. Robots also played a crucial role. In the sparse, sandy grasslands of Jared Banner in Inner Mongolia, machinery filled wind-eroded pits and laid sand barriers while workers supported the comprehensive management of Horkin sandy land. Independently developed sand-fixing machines processed raw materials like reeds and straw into grass mats for sand barrier installation. These machines were simple in structure, easy to operate, and highly adaptable to various terrains, enabling the installation of nearly 30,000 meters of sand barriers daily. China's approach also emphasized the importance of community involvement. Local communities were engaged in the restoration efforts, providing them with training and resources to participate actively in the fight against desertification. Farmers were encouraged to adopt sustainable agricultural practices, such as crop rotation and organic farming, to maintain soil health and productivity. These practices not only helped combat desertification but also improved the livelihoods of local farmers by increasing crop yields and reducing dependence on chemical inputs. Education and awareness campaigns played a crucial role in changing attitudes towards environmental conservation. Schools and communities were educated about the causes and consequences of desertification and the importance of sustainable land management. This shift in mindset helped create a culture of environmental stewardship, where people took pride in protecting and restoring their land. The results were remarkable. In areas like Ningxia, the efforts to control sand and restore vegetation led to a significant increase in forest cover and a decrease in the number of dusty days. The survival rate of planted materials reached 70%, and vegetation cover was restored to 40%, effectively stopping the sand dunes from shifting. These efforts not only helped combat desertification but also created jobs and increased incomes for local communities. The success of China's initiatives did not go unnoticed. Other countries facing similar challenges looked to China as a model for combating desertification. International cooperation and knowledge exchange became crucial in addressing this global issue. China actively shared its experiences and technologies with other nations, contributing to global efforts to combat desertification and land degradation. China's battle against desertification is a testament to the power of collective action, sustainable practices, and the integration of modern technology. Through determination, innovation, and the involvement of local communities, China managed to turn the tide and restore life to its once barren lands. The story of China's fight against desertification is a story of hope and resilience, showing that even the most daunting challenges can be overcome with the right strategies and a united effort.